SlimJaro is a weight loss supplement that claims to support healthy weight management in a natural and convenient way. I decided to give it a try after hearing mixed opinions about it, hoping it would help with my slow metabolism and digestion issues. The product is easy to incorporate into a daily routine since it doesn't require any major lifestyle changes, which is definitely a plus for those who don't have the time or energy for strict diets and intense workout plans. Over the weeks, I did notice some subtle changes. My appetite seemed more controlled, and I felt slightly more energetic during the day. However, I can't say it delivered dramatic weight loss results. While I didn't experience any side effects, the weight loss was gradual, and I can't be sure if it was solely due to the supplement or a combination of factors, like minor dietary improvements and daily activity. It might work better for some than others, depending on individual metabolism and lifestyle. If you're expecting a magic pill for weight loss, this may not be it. But if you're looking for a mild aid in your weight management journey, it could be worth trying.